Ebusham for I gonna send TVGH. Message will like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature I'll probably be notified. That is why I'm saying, say, henceforth, you ever monitor pa Nkrofo a ebe hu omu say omu tigana ha. Now omu twa san tro edi 2 year mamesu no. Be waiting for a court sermon. One asumano meaning we have one of the aides of Ama Bawumia here, Auntie Ellen. I don't even know if she will want to even say something about this. Because I don't get it.
Patrol, maybe good evening to everybody.
Evening, Auntie Ellen. Evening.
From Ama Bawumia office there. As I told you earlier, meaning say now life no so. I said asemi peja ye no. No kura ne nyame anim ya ankoka anche alaji ne ne yire. Because a peja ye no na ye wo in the middle of the campaign. Mobeka ya ye nua be ma ye papa lumba wuye no. Ne 1 week no. Alaji pene koye eno kura no ofi akwantuo mu no was somewhere in another region.
Yeah.
And then I run another down where Kufado friend was said, blah. Now ye be a lumba, me campaign, me doing a campaign. About you know my.
Yeah, telling you.
More wouldn't non sono. You're about me, Emma, you're lumbas or man is canny bribia say all more and your campaign and your ma or non so.
Oh, I see.
Yaria ni Abrabomunsam, you all know. He simply couldn't do it. Nyame amasa akwan na ma enti MPP de ye ne lumba ewo working relationship munyina muni enti se nyame afre na abusu atena se ne ye ne 1 week a MPP ntimi nka se ye nko ye koye Dr. Bawumia ko no mo a mo hwe ye maame Samira wanko bi no oni nkran hapo to wanko yeah, na ye no Dr. Bawumia wan ko bi osmaye because no nam no for baby. Yeah. Yeah, na ye maami Samira wan ko bi. Hajia Samira Bawumia onhyi ama akosua se wada onim no. Hajia Samira Bawumia odobronyi onim no wo baby a. In fact, omukunu no a ye point in contention Daddy Lumba no. We hia na party program. Nikunu Dr. Bawumia ko no di nachi. Daddy Lumba nya na danfo. Enti ebeba ne sen e no mo asem mo busua mu asem aba ono ko kabi. Daddy Lumba ya santini meboa.
Enukre.
Ma akosua se wa o ya santini meboa.
Nkre minim.
Sister ya santini sister odobronyi o ya kwawuni. Mia mi krom ni kwawuni. Yeah. Hajia Samira onya santini onya kwawuni oya fulani ni kunu Dr. Bawumia onya santini onya kwawuni ofri wale oya makrusini
yeah
enti no kura ni nyame anim obi abusua sem efa ne ho na busua mu ni twotwo mu nsem sa efa mo ho ben enti Hajia se yanka nkyira mo se onim ho hwe eno ho nti wa my instructions yamu na meka ye no eba ye yanka nkyere no me yele de o kai a me ba be kan ha se me ti so obi ka ho asa me de be court
yeah
me ya ma bi nsa me nka nkyere Hajia ya ka asa asem nsu ye mi mu so mu twa aso enti court asem na amam na ya kwa election na wie ye o wi ni oni ni kunu mase ha kukukuru asem na aba enti we die ya bo na mane me mamu aya we se me yelende ku me bo na mane nyame ya dum dan nsusu ade ye bo na mane na ni photographers are twins don't beg ba ko no life yi so nto ono so record ye ko ka kire no Hajia say one the lawyer sakasa
right
oya maame niema bi wo hɔ a obebu nani aguso na se ye bo na mane ne wante ne de wonte ye patron ye make us what ase
yes
ne ya nka nkyere no eno no wonte ye na se ye ka kyere ne na ekɔ ne de wate on anybody other than the because she will deal appropriately with you. While man crofua dealing with this matter, and they are dealing with it. Oye mami, nanani ebie na dream mudoninti matise. Wamaya hwehwe ma akosia se we kira kwan ama ni group ni team no mpanyinfo ma mpanyinfo wom ebi ene ma akosia kasa minti results no kwani nyame enim ene me nko office ho ochina me kwa ba hakobusam asem ba minim se ma me na asimu se oni omutu ni nyina ni omu teams ne be kasa se asem no onim hu bi omunye na busuafo onim omo Ababa we a musu oye sa no wan hwe yi a obetiti ade a ontimi nsoa ye nyina ye ja hu because ne ye call for election ne ye ni abre but we a ye wie ya mamu aya we say Dr. Bawumia ne yiri na no mo ye vice president second family na eni hunti ye run na do dan kwa ne yiri anti Becky wo ho omo na omo ye sa amre na NPP omo na omo di yanim omo na omo ye the first family enti ne ya bebre ba doctor on kasa because udi obi echi a say we behave say dear he is the flag bearer of our party.
Yeah.
He's the alternative. The next president of Ghana.
I could say one casa, or say, baby, or what did you want to be an among on Sumano?
All right, and yeah, lawyer for anybody. It's one winning. Now, sad near see the last 8 years. I'll show the conquest. I send be a savage come home now. It wasn't near year, you know. Going forward, forget it. Just say be a yante. Yante, they are fine. That's why you only a tia. Or you near tia. And tomorrow, Moko Kaka, your mama won about your mama, me and your mama prensa. Mupa Montuaso. You met me a cow one.
Jam Pesa Meka enumerate say enough is enough of this foolishness and nonsense. Hajia Samira does not have their time to come and apologize to any sorry ass person. Or online. Or sorry no pa or chuchini sukwa or chuchini touch ramaso. No baby not ever taking 5 minutes to even pronounce a word for one word to come out of her mouth. Say Oba be address you on what grounds? And I would was say when they had your spokesperson be a consanti had your press conference to apologize to you guys. Apologize to you guys for what?
I've spoken
and on what basis?
I've spoken I've spoken 2 aides to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Auntie Helen. Any Akosha menu, there is nothing of the sort. Obi Bioko Sadiabiano is not sanctioned. Please continue.
Okay. And Omunja Sawa Mupati Asemno. Akosha Sawa, doesn't she has a family? Akosha Sawa, this sister Bain, and a Webe Jina Honum fighting on her behalf. Ne brother Bain, ne auntie Bain, the bushia penny were he. Obi abushia asem moja tari mani ase dindidi anu ti makwa bie website mo de ba fight for women mo de be replace women's aglo. Are you people serious? Are you for real? Ye ni abre and then kokuafo na ensuno. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and his wife Samira has a lot on their plate. They are thinking about how to move Ghana forward. Enti me pamucha wo bebre. Munkura sesem no mufanto nchen. You can do your own thing. Jamu pebi amu betimi aye wo mo platforms so. But please take Hajia's name out of your dirty mouth. Muyi ni din efri manum. Mani a ensa de. Mumbubu maame no mumbubu nua no mumpanifo no. Me ma mo fa brand mo fa ba ne so. Enough is enough. Sana 2023 2024 and then normal fire say this time around we are not going to do that, and I'm sounding a warning to Sabato too. Sabato Jai Sadia Adena Woyano. Wo your politics are your politics. If you are going to take care of social take care of that. judge away and because of wound sinity and for the MPP and you to from and
Sabato.
and a Sabato umber no be defended Samira
Nyaminya Sabato.
Sabato umber be defended. Enough
Nyaminya
is enough.
Sabato. Ana.
Ya bremo.
Mina Sabato suka
Yes.
umbu.
Yes.
Oh, ene me friend. Maybe some say
Yes. He's part of the team, legal team and whatever. Please.
But can be part, but I
legal
mean,
team, take Samira out of your mouth.
yeah. Auntie, I
Harris,
don't
go on.
All right, thank you so much. All right, Mama Tina, good evening.
Yeah, it's media.
Yo,
voice so we be
me
now
also.
you asem we ho nti ade
Yes.
ba ko say omoko samane ai abaya no e wo UK ho nti ne Salma ne ayi no na yi no a odi na twene ye kasaye nti omo so omo amane letter say omoko saman no nti ba bi owo bia no omeyi ano ba bi ohun say Salima okasa team no ho ana wakwa ko gu ba no nti eye ade omo ye omo guso a omo take action on it. Let's wait and see.
Mommy, I didn't gonna for be. I drink more from sir. Me do am in tiasio.
Saying class ye bre omo hia attention. Abaya no ohia attention. Saa ne odi abronfo ani twitwi fam. Abronfo ne nsantefo oye ya ama abronfo antraba nti saa ne ma na oye no aye no say oye champion. But say no nkrofo atag no pa say sene ebeye bia no tindiga ayifo no aba ma me no kura no osu epa na chew. Maame no esu na kyɛw sɛ ɔnyɛ sure sɛ Saliman kan no de biribiara ho onim kyɛ sɛ maame no esu nti ya nti maame no akasa mu ma akusi asɛwa no akasa mu sɛ ɔsrɛ no onyi Saliman egyina mfiri asɛm no ɔpa na kyɛw a ɔnsoma no
Me
nti sɛ
see.
ɔn
So kasa, me see.
nti part of them no ayɛ ɔmo agye sɛ saa ne maame no ɔyɛ deɛ saa ne tiwa no ɔyɛ deɛ now that means they're going to separate them her from the on between film because no one in class every
I mean, beside Tiwa no or your MPP na so NDC ni.
or NDC ni
Or your NDC ni.
or NDC ni but in the first or baba cake on the second until never know you know you making or NDC no NPP
Asem bi krani. Yo.
nti ọba asẹn ọbẹ yẹ amaken nti na ọka ken team fo no bẹ ho sẹ NDC fo a ọmọ jump to ken no na ọka ho bi saa na ẹtẹ sẹsẹ aba no yàtọ awie ken anya nti how okay.
Oh, okay. Me that's it. Auntie Tina. Auntie Busianfo, I'm saying say because of the task ahead of us 2028. Looking at the way Ghana for bread around this time, no, we will not allow any human being to make us lose even one vote because of some of this. Sorry to say, but badadash. Obini ni kuno amoju amoju the future ho, edwin koko kriafo ho, and all the others no. Amakofasa illegal ni side chick sesem. Asem we mabeka sa, but still it still keeps on coming. Yenkoti a se obi afia koto oso okopa acho. Asema mabeka about yema mi Samira Bawumia. Assembly about asem way a team legal for ni team side chick phones in same way. Ma can but I say I have to keep saying it until it enters into the ears of some hard ear Ghanaians. So I've made it a point say every day I come live, I will take some 10 minutes to address this matter so that it does not affect our electoral fortunes. And meaning say, Umubebre, my friend, I catch them, say, same with me, Jan, my main can one them and all those things. No cry, I mean, say, me yanka, me can want them. Because Miss team legal need team psychic and family. And family. The same way I'm farming hono, and father Tamamudu Bawumia, and Fahajia. But the way Nkrofobi etimi manage akɔfa saa maame ne din abɛhyɛ asɛm wɔ mu no sɛ yɛgyae no saa ɛde asɛm bɛba ɛnte na mentimi ka sɛ menka ho asɛm ɔtɔmutim aseɛ. That is why I have to speak about it. Ebusianfo asɛm bɛn na ɛkɔ so. Yɛsi celebrity bi enyomtona bi has expired. And Ukraine say, I love the hype that went around the whole that the Lumba stuff. But let's ask ourselves, say, Ufa Ghana population how many or what percentage of tribes even understand that the Lumba Nyum? How many tribes? Miami Free Voter Region. Most of that the Lumba Nyum in an minti asie. And timiti anyami de. Obia free not enough. All the 5 northern regions. Obia free oti. Kasa no different. And the ebian sema that the Lumba eka on nyum muno. Ebian sem no de a good dear but nti asie. But I know we all join hands together and say, Papa, we know, or a national asset. And I praise no. And I'm one master and I'm Mudiko Sieno. Ubisa mi Kofi Amiti has say, assembly the court no, assemble ne film banging and me nim hushi. Me nim ni pa kwa ode asem no court. Me nim judge kwa out na asem no so. Me name judgment kwa buy. Me name say judgment e buy no e favor team league and as team such me name who she. Because now I'm busy trying to convince Ghanaians say the new patriotic party the only alternative for Ghana. That is what I sleep thinking about. That is what every MPP person, most of us sleep thinking about. How do we rebrand MPP? How do we get back united? How do we get back into power 2028? These are the things that keep us awake. And yes, I'm a team league, need team side chickens and same. Now, the reason why this time around, I am very, very serious and particular about that team league, same way I'm somebody here, mommy, Haja Samira Bawumia, Dimbe Sherman, and say, Mubekaya, 2024. When we were going to election, Papa Beka said, had just Samira Bawumia, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Abe Bubu ni dying. Mukai, Bekaya. There was a man who is a friend to Honorable Kennedy Japan. Ebeka said, had just Samira Bawumia, any Nikunu, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Bubu ni dying. Nukrenya meaning that issue came no. I called some people who are so close to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the wife said, "Asem we no, asem ba, ebe ya, yemba boltina ebe ya no." They told me say, "Oh, and worry, asem we nya asem bia minja mu." Me say, "Hey, me e sure asem we nya asem bia minja mu." Omo say, "Ane." Okay. Say nya asem bia. What happened? NDC 4. Omu use sa asem no say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene ni yire omu akwa break obi dying down. Ebra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene ni yire no na omu nim hu hwi. Eye papa no ene maame bi ene nya asem. Ena omu de asem no ko court. Court ejeje asem no e di favor maame no. Eti court no say bailiff ye ko oni maame we nko a dino, Munko Bubu dino, court nekai. Na enfa Haja Samira Bawumia, na enfa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But because the heart of man, Nipa Kuma, desperately wicked enti, Papa no de asem ko share Samira Bawumia ni nikunu. And there are people in our party who did not vote 2024 because of Sasem. There are people like that. People who did not vote, who said, oh, I didn't ever go to Obama, Papa, on ni rate me bubu party for dying, party financiers dying. But you ask yourself, we ask ourselves, say, was that the truth? It's not the truth. But one thing I was gonna say, once some people have been exposed to the same saying, the same matter, the same baku, who catch the Ghana ni over and over, a yako yen nukre wan assume. So sa daya 70 we lost vote. The same way no, sa same way ye can want them say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nim hushi, ni yire nim hushi. Minim nkrofo bia omo abrochira omo ni djuma bia ye. And I shock me say nipa wetina plain muda. Nipa wetina plain muda. Anka nipa say ni bie no. Omo na omo tina abrochire. Omo ni hushi ye no. Na omo sorry na omo create stories. Enye say damn boy. Say damn boy. How will somebody ever think say Haja Samira Bawumia has a hand a judgment be a court? Enye dambo. Whatever the case, a year na seno, did you see Haja Samira Bawumia there? Did you see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there? Were they not busy campaigning? So why would you ever even think, say, these people have to have enough time to the extent, say, what about now phone, so say, a team legal, team side check here, you're influencing yama. Anka yetimi influencing yama, anka yetimi chi abronye, chairman abronye, heading into Black Maria mu for several weeks. Yetimi influencing yama, anka yebeti na say ama, Chief Justice will be removed the way she was removed. Yetimi influencing yama. Obi said they have pictures of her judge and Afia Koto in this AI era. AI era we mono. Who picture? Who video? Now catch me say who just have picture nedi. Afia Koto no munko Facebook ko share say munko Facebook share say oh yeah even a body of the Bawumia team munko share. Me say munko Facebook ko share say Afia Koto no or yeah body of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's team na. Now sema emfa ye ho ye MPP for ye lose 2024 nipa be 2 million omo ampia koto abanama ye omo ye nkrofo ye dream say how do we bring them back enu na ye dream every day and night enu hu na me ye dream na wa confess asem we free be ni be the asem no cry free obi a oti UK a o to me twitwi ni simple yi obi a oti UK on to me twitwi ni sin. Ghana, we like giving exposure to, sorry to say, but useless people do. Ghana. Yes, so do. It's for that reason that here in this country, we can be in this nation, now a bit to say Busum Piyong, now a celebrity. We can be in this nation, now a bit to say Ahonfe Patri, now a celebrity. Or bit to say Pataparo a celebrity. Because we like entertaining nonsense. But this time around, yen tinasi ama mube propaganda, yen tinasi. And most of you are lucky, say, some of you that are pushing this lie, muni Ghana, and by now, yes, you mu court. By now, no, yes, you mu na court. They are lucky. But even UK as Ama a friend say cry. My name is Dimpo. Last time I don't know how come I came across the lives. Sounds so to me a sample. Ideally, you should not use this ability to actually talk about people. I say it didn't a tiwa. But say all disability and ultimate dream straight and so. Then sometimes you force us to say things we shouldn't be saying. Sa UK out and you're out of coverage area. There are processes we can still trigger. Okay? There are processes we can still trigger that I will affect her where she is. And yes, all showing we. Ebushiamfo, ye nyina yenim sa sem we ma me nim ho hwi. Yenim. Enya broni be yentia. Asem we nya broni be yentia. Ade na Samira Bawumia din kwa na mukobo. Ade na mu but Kenya Japan iredin. Because munim say Kenya Japan de oye buga mu di masem ko ni so a odi be ma monti. Bawumia na ye din. Bawumia onu na ye din enti every nonsense mu di ko Bawumia so. See, Ghanaians need NPP back. And because Ghanaians need NPP back, I promise you, say, we will not sit down. It will not be quiet. They always say, when you see a sea, and the sea is not giddy, you should be afraid of that sea because it is deep. So let's stop taking the calm nature of Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia as a weakness. Of course, babe, look, but how do you even expect Hajia, someone who has been the former second lady of this country, to come and even be talking about our team, league and native side chickens in some way? She no. I mean, we will be disappointed if she did that. But yes, surrounding my minimum, we are supposed at this time to come out strongly and say, no way. That is why I'm saying, henceforth, yebe monitor pa nkrofo a yebe hu omu say omu tigana ha. Na omu twa santro editu ye mamesu no. Be waiting for a court sermon. Wa uti Ghana ha unimpa say Hajia Samira Bawumia ni din brand. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia din brand. MPP a registered brand Ghana ha. And if you go and lie about us, was at team legal all those no be rest assured say moving forward, I've come to give you warning, and I'll keep giving you this warning throughout this week. From Monday next week, be expecting court sermons. Be expecting it. Ebi aska wono. Munishia mudi beyeno. Mudie. Musanko bought Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia din. And I say Hajia Samira Bawumia din bium. I was asking him. From next week Monday. Namoshe. You will know, say, everything you say, no, you are accountable for it. You will know. Ebushanfo, when we anka sema ebeka, but what person of no shame no. Mema obi a 3 minutes na obeka na ya to show no so. Why? Sa same way. Meaning every time, I don't know how many times we have to put this thing through. Say, someone crofo can nyasem bia nim, obi out UK or ni juma bia no. First time if he say, obi bia out me too kwai na won nyansa. He say me won say nya obi bia out too kwai na won nyansa.